Did you like my boobs?
Alright. Looks like we'll have to make do with 3 then, won't we? Hang on. Alright, listen. Seems we've got a troublemaker. We had a 4th girl for tonight, but she got knocked around. The gaucho that did it is pimping us out of business. He fucks with us. We fuck with him. He has a shipment of booze coming in for his nightclub. I want you to drive over to the club and wait for that shipment to arrive. And when it does, I want you to destroy all of it. Oh, yeah, and one more thing. Drive over to the funhouse when you're finished. Uncle Woody wants to meet with you. Looks like you're moving up, mate. Alright, girls, time to figure out which one of you little trollops gets to party with Uncle Woody tonight.
Oh my.
What say you give us a taste then?
Oh, no, I like it all over my chest.
For this job, I'll let you do the shooting. I know how much fun you had blowing the hell out of Wade's shop.
We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming for the following late-breaking news report. Earlier today, violent gunplay was reported in the vicinity of the Backdoor nightclub. Onlookers have testified that the deadly squabble was between 2 rival gangs, the Daredevils and the Gauchos. 2 Der Kleinschlanger beer transport trucks were also damaged during the incident. A service will be held tomorrow for the lost beer. May God be with you. News on the hour, on the half, and when we're forced to tell you, I'm Heath McGillivray.
I want to show you something, boss.
Well, look what we have here.
I found him nosing around the park.
Get him out of there. Bring him inside. Let's hear what he has to say.
Hello? Anybody running this freak show?
So, you are the new guy I've been hearing about. Come over here. Let me get a look at you. Know anything about these guys?
Not anything I want to remember.
Well, the friend of this piece of shit drove off in one of my trucks. I want you to chase him down and get my goods back. Make sure and recover all the cargo. I don't know what these guys are up to, and I don't really care. When someone starts snooping around in my business, I'm gonna start snooping around in theirs. Hey, Skunkface, what are you looking for? Don't think that keeping your mouth shut is gonna save your ass. Drag this piece of shit over to the crab zone and make sure everybody sees him. I run this town, not the Gauchos, and certainly not the Sentinels.
You know, we take this.
don't have all fucking day.
Let's get him!
Sentinels are headed that way. Be on the lookout.
Shit, I got a bad feeling about this fucking job. Sentinels are everywhere! Let's get this cargo back to Uncle Woody! Nice driving back there!
Have a seat, Chino. How are things?
Great, no, things are great, boss.
Good, 'cause I have some good news and some bad news, Chino. The bad news is I have a rat working for me.
What's the good news?
I know who the rat is.
Hey, how you doing?
Have a seat.
Thanks, I think I'll stand.
See that piece of meat? He and his friends were making deals with the gauchos behind my back. I took care of him, but his friends are waiting for him over at the airport. I want you to go take care of him. Don't let them get away! You know, I figure they're too dumb to rip me off by themselves. So when I find out who else is involved, they're gonna be fucked!
3QQQQ.
Follow Bishop Moranis and see where he goes. If he stops off at Bioside, then we know he was working with Chino!
On your classic rock station, QQQQ4Q. Alright, we're back live in the studio with the rockin' sound of QQQQ. That's 4Q69.3 Classic Rock. For all you people heading to work today, I got a little something special. Thunder Bob, Rock and Roll, Chuck Wagon. How about some King Cobra, Red Line? So put the pedal to the floor and let your red line soar. 69.3 QQQQ4Q Classic Rock.
Let's keep our distance and tail him.
Maxing on!